Click cell D12. You will use the CUMPRINC here to calculate cumulative principal payments for the second year of the loan. Type =, CUMPRINC, open parenthesis, in cell D12. Because principal payments are debits, you need to type a minus sign in front of the function name to return a positive value for the formula. As you type, Excel displays prompts for function arguments. Click cell D7. You will enter the rate argument as a monthly value because loan payments are made on a monthly basis. In cell D12, type a comma to continue the formula. You will now enter the loan period and per argument in months. Click cell D9. In cell D12, type a comma to continue the formula. You will now enter the loan amount, PV, argument. Click cell D5. You will finish the formula by typing entries for the start period, end period, and type arguments. Type, 13, 24, 0, close parenthesis. The start period for the second year of the loan is month 13, and the end period is month 24. The loan payment is made at the beginning of the payment period. Press Enter. The formula is completed, and Excel returns the result in cell D12.